then we're gonna roll it like that.
Talk to what?
This is like an extra strong, extra duty one.
Extra duty?
Extra duty, heavy duty.
Close.
Okay, so this is how you make a nice rock pad for a trailer, a quad, or anything like that. So I'm gonna start with cleaning it up a little bit, raking out the leaves before I do anything.
I just want y'all to know I was taking down all the Halloween decorations inside and outside. So that's where I was. I wasn't just hanging out, okay?
So we already measured it out, so we want this 10-foot piece right over here.
Right along the line of this wood.
Yep.
Side needs to be like slightly this way.
What's that? Those?
Yeah. From my angle.
Well, you gotta come over here and look from the side.
Yep.
See? Lines up that way. You know what I mean? See? Now it's off a little, you know?
Yes. Time to dig 1 to 2 inches.
So if you want to see up close and personal, I'm just getting a line right there. I rolled the wood like twice just so I could get that line, and I just have to try to keep it straight as possible. Bessie keeps getting lots of vines because look at these woods. Yep. Lots of woods equals lots of vines. How do you get the lines? The vines. Good job. Look at you.
Die, vine, die! Ladies, I recommend you helping your man out so you can get out all your frustrations like this. Do you have any frustration? Talk to what? Oh, it's a big vine over here. Haha! Got that on film. I'm a vine breaker. Oh, you're gonna me. I'm a vine breaker. Oh yeah, okay.
Bartender, eat that chicken tender.
And why are we doing this? Because we need more storage space. And the quad was taking up the entire shed, and we have 2 sheds worth of storage. Progress so far. Basically 50% done. Messed up over there by digging way too low, but he was perfecting the border and now it's perfect, and now he can help me, which will probably go way faster now.
Teamwork makes the dream work. Okay. As you can see, we're almost there.
Ooh-wee.
New square, who this? Let's get it.
Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it.
Peanut butter jelly.
Alright, it is done. Now we're gonna rake. Look, it actually is doing something.
Very good. Bessie's killing it. Okay, so last part of the whole process is putting down the weed barrier. So this is like an extra strong, extra duty one that I use to make the base of the shed over there.
Extra duty?
Extra duty, heavy duty. Yeah, heavy duty. So all we're gonna do is something like this. We're gonna take the wood out, we're gonna put it like this, and then we're gonna roll it like that.
Kick flip on it?
Okay?
Whoa!
And then we're just gonna lie it out, baby.
And then put pins?
Yeah, then we're gonna get these pins here. We called little fabric and garden staples. You get at any Lowe's or Home Depot.
So the weeds don't go through?
Well, this just helps hold that in place.
Mm.
And then, yeah, that's for the weeds. It's a weed barrier. Then we're gonna put the rocks right on top of there.
Alright.
Yeah.
See you after this is done.
Do it. Close up, let's get a different angle. Probably see most of my butt.
Alright. Wood is back on top. And now just for the rocks.
Okay, last part of the process. Putting down the stones. Do you get the scissors in? I'll lift you top. Now that you see we're all done, we're gonna put everything on it. Might have to get a bigger tarp here. Try to wrap it around. Oh, there goes that. Have to wrap this like a birthday present. I'm gonna be wrapping the whole thing just for winter purposes. So I don't want it to rust out the bottom too much. So, put this down. I don't know how good you guys can see me. And here. Okay, that's the end result. You get the idea. Store everything on your pad. Even make one for your shed if you want. I don't know how good you can see me. Wish Bessie were here to see the completion. Well, hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video. Get to it if you need to make any pad in your backyard for a shed and or for quad or a lawnmower, as you can see. All right, guys, like and subscribe. And also, never forget, never give up. Peace.